You are still enjoying this sunny weather in Joburg, I believe, but there will be some showers coming your way this coming weekend. In the meantime, it's going to stay pretty warm for the next couple of days. Now, here on the latest satellite picture, we are seeing just quite a bit of high-level cloud that has been streaming through the northwest and into Gauteng, and the cloud has been particularly thick over the Free State and parts of KwaZulu-Natal. Then, throughout the day, we also had lots of rain-bearing clouds creeping into the eastern areas of the Eastern Cape and also into parts of KwaZulu-Natal, where we are going to be seeing light overnight rain in some areas. Otherwise, it was mostly fine but cool over the western sections. Now, here's what we are going to be seeing tonight. It's going to stay cloudy and rainy for the eastern areas of the Eastern Cape and over southwestern KwaZulu-Natal. Then, as we get into Wednesday morning, it's going to become cloudy for the southern areas with a few fog patches for parts of the western and the Eastern Cape, as well as over the interior of KwaZulu-Natal. Cloud and rainy weather will still be going on across the eastern areas of the Eastern Cape and over southwestern KwaZulu-Natal. It will be mostly fine for the rest of the country. Then later on in the afternoon, we should see mostly sunny skies across much of South Africa, and it will continue to be warm to hot for the northeastern areas, particularly over the northwest, Gauteng, Limpopo and Mpumalanga, and the northeastern parts of KwaZulu-Natal. On the other hand, another cool day is forecast for the western areas and also over much of the Eastern Cape. Then in the evening, it will stay pretty wet across the eastern sections of the Eastern Cape and also over much of the KwaZulu-Natal coastal areas. Tonight, we are going to have up to 60% chance of rain over the Eastern Cape coastal areas and the adjacent interior, and up to 40% where you see the lighter shades of blue, and that includes areas around Durban and Pietermaritzburg. The chance of rain decreases as we go northwards towards Richards Bay. Now, we are going to have light to moderate winds across much of the interior tonight, rather breezy for the west coast, where moderate to fresh southeasterlies are expected. Then on Wednesday afternoon, breezy conditions are expected for much of the northwest as well as the Free State and parts of Gauteng. Now, the windy conditions over the western areas of the northwest could result in runaway fires in some areas. The winds will become lighter as we head towards Wednesday evening. Now, we are going to have another chilly night for the western parts of the country. Temperatures still dropping to below freezing around Graafrenet and Sutherland. Cape Town will see a minimum of 9 degrees, just a degree warmer in Port Elizabeth. Durban drops to 15 degrees. It will be mild tonight for the eastern areas with minimums around 13 degrees for Mbombela, Pretoria and around Mahikeng. Chilly for Upington with a minimum of 5 degrees. Then on Wednesday afternoon, it will continue to be cool for the western and southern parts of the country. Cape Town peaking at just around 16, 15 for George and around Bishop. A mild afternoon temperature of 23 is forecast for Durban, but like I said, it's going to be pretty warm for the northeastern parts of the province. Ladysmith shooting to around 30 degrees in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 20s and lower 30s are also forecast for the northeastern areas, where Pretoria and Polokwane should make it to 28 degrees in the afternoon. Johannesburg 27, and Kimberley should warm to around 28 degrees. Now, Johannesburg is going to stay pretty warm over the next 3 days with mostly sunny skies on Wednesday and Thursday, but on Friday we are going to see quite a bit of cloud moving through. Then late on Saturday night there will be a very small chance of thunderstorms for you, and on Sunday it will be mostly sunny with temperatures warming to just 22 degrees. Now, here's looking ahead to the rest of the country. For the next 2 days we are going to see mostly sunny skies across much of the country. It will be pretty warm for the northern sections, light rain for Cape Town and also over parts of KwaZulu-Natal. Then on Friday we stay with rain showers for parts of KwaZulu-Natal, and over the southwestern areas it's going to be cloudy, rainy and chilly with snowfalls possible around Sutherland, where a high of just 8 is expected.